making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you, baby.
I'm eating some oatmeal really quick. This is one of, if you saw my last vlog, sorry, the lighting's really bad in here, but this is one of those, the no boundaries basics. So we're getting our Christmas tree, and I also picked up a pair of leggings on Amazon. I did a total up haul because I had literally nothing. So if you saw my last video, you know that I mentioned that we have like a sinking fund for clothing. So I decided to get some new things. I got these in a size large, and it feels so good to just kind of fit and dress your body versus like what you think you should be wearing, because I've had a pair like this in a medium and it doesn't feel as great, and this I feel so much better. So I'm wearing this and this. I'm going to throw on a sweater because it's really cold here in Massachusetts today. It's probably like 30s, but the sun is out. I made some oatmeal, just some plain Quaker oatmeal with a teaspoon of chia seeds, a teaspoon of honey, and like half of a quarter cup of blueberries. So I'm gonna curl my hair, get dressed, and take you guys along with me. We're gonna do like a number 2 vlog video for coming home with me for the holidays. So let's get started. Okay, so I have my curls in, just grabbing my jewelry, just my wedding band and diamond. Okay. And then I'm gonna put on these gold hoops. I'm just gonna let my curls sit for a minute. Sorry, my daughter's watching Spidey, my husband's downstairs, so I gotta get her ready, and then he's gonna get ready because I've been getting ready. And then we'll get going. We're gonna go to Dunks to get a donut for my daughter, and then Starbucks for us. I'm gonna get the caramel brulee. I thought it was called a creme brulee years ago. Maybe it was, but I'm gonna get a caramel. Sorry, she has such a gnarly cough right now. Poor girl. I feel so bad. Okay, so I'm gonna do that. We're gonna get Starbucks, and then I'm gonna brush my curls out, but I think, because my husband and daughter were just outside, if you guys saw my last video, I purchased this sweater. I haven't taken the tags off because I like to just really think about things, because I want, if you guys saw my last video, these tags are still on, but I want to make sure that I love what's, poor thing. I should not have made that face when what's happening. I feel like I'm like whispering. Make sure I love what's in my closet. This is cute. The only thing with Old Navy, so I got this in a medium. I think a medium is fine, honestly, and it's nice and warm. The only thing with Old Navy, and I'm nervous with this material, some of their stuff, I hate to say it, but like it feels and looks really cheap, but then some of their stuff I can wash and have for years, and it's totally fine. Like this sweater, I feel like it's cute. I don't know if this part, I'm just kind of like, honestly, it's just a sweater. I don't have any like sweaters, so all right, we're gonna comb out the curls. We're gonna finish. I gotta see if there's a hat to wear because it's cold, so I want to put layers on, because this is like my new favorite scent. Just to, I feel like scents and memories go together. So this is my favorite day of the year, when we get a, I'm just gonna, whenever I get a Christmas tree, and I've had this for years, and I've only made like that much of a dent in it. So I really like that because memories and scents go together. I'm gonna put on some like long Adidas socks, I think, and then a pair goes with my Doc Martens. I think that'll be nice. Okay. Sorry, I hate the sound of chewing and eating, so I'm gonna get my socks on, get my daughter ready. Then we're gonna go get some Starbucks and get our Christmas tree. Yeah, also, and he's taking out the seltzer, but My mom got me this cute mug from Home Goods. How cute is that? The little Christmas tree. I didn't get to use it this morning because I was washing it in the dishwasher. All right, I'm gonna take Alka-Seltzer really quick. I don't know how I feel about this sweater looking at it on camera, but I just need something to keep me warm, so. Oh my gosh. We're all sick and coughing in this house right now, so I'm just gonna grab this Marshall's bag and put in snow pants, hat, gloves for my daughter. So let's do that. Okay, I'm putting you guys in the cabinet because my tripod is upstairs. Sorry, I feel like I have like mom listening ear because I'm trying to make sure that she's okay. And then mom brain. I want to get snacks for her, snacks for us, just so that we have options. I think I'm gonna grab one of these and one of these. Probably a snack for like me or my husband if we get hungry. We'll do 2 or 3 of these. Not that we need these, but just this. I feel like with a toddler you can never have enough snacks. Okay, so I got my purse, water. I always do this. I should probably get a better like reusable option, but I mean I do reuse these, but eventually they get kind of like, why is this so sticky? Gross. So I'm gonna do that for my daughter. Put that in my purse. I'm gonna make sure she has a water. So I've got a water for her and like 10:25. So funny because I feel like in years past we get there for like right when the Christmas tree farm opens, and this year I'm like, no, not to do TMI, but you guys know me on my channel. I don't know what, I feel like it's 2025 and we need a solution for this as women, but the awareness around my cycle is next level. And it's so funny because like leading up to my period, I just, oh my God, like God bless my husband because this house was a war zone. But then after my period, like after a couple days into like ovulation time, I am like a mad woman cleaning like on top of everything. But I've noticed like, especially the past 2 months, I was feeling this way last month and I have a sore throat this morning. So it's just like, as a mom, it's hard because I feel like sometimes you feel run down, but you just like almost feel this pressure that you have to like keep going. So I feel like it's just very helpful to have a really good partner to help you, because my husband let me sleep in this morning. I slept in pretty late, like 8:45. I feel like I woke up yesterday and I was like, I am so tired. I went to bed last night. I don't even know if tired's the right word. And I was like, I'm so tired. We finished Stranger Things, by the way. At least the drop for now. I have no words. That was wild. So yeah, he cleaned up everything and let me sleep, made me my coffee, let me get ready this morning. Like having a good partner just is like half the battle. But of course I woke up and I have a sore throat and we're all coughing. So I'm still having like sinus pressure problems in like my frontal area. So I don't know what to do about that, but nobody asked about this information. So I'm gonna bag these really quick, about 11 crackers. Okay. And then we're gonna get going, but I figured I'd take you guys along with me. I don't know if I mentioned this, but upstairs when I was putting on my gold hoops, I am probably today, after like all the Christmas festivities, I'm going to go to, I may grab my scale for this, honestly. Thanksgiving was so much fun, but we gotta get back on track because I cannot help myself around like stuffing and all the Thanksgiving food, but we're gonna get back on track. Let me even grab this. I feel like I have this all or nothing mindset, but you can't. And you can't like make yourself feel bad or guilty for just like enjoying little things in life. I mean, enjoying life, 28 grams. So it's just easier sometimes with stuff like this because I don't want to try to be like counting 11 crackers when they're all like broken. Pretzels, sorry. That's too much. So if you guys watched my last vlog, I mentioned how Ana Luisa had reached out. I actually have seen a lot of influencers talking about it, and I'm going to give them a whirl. They are going to send me 2 earrings, which I'm really excited about because I just want to see in terms of like sensitivity. They have really good reviews for people with sensitive ears. So I'm gonna go to Marshall's and return the other earrings because I just know. And then I have literally 2 pairs of earrings that I've worn for years. And if I could just replace those, like these gold tubes are great. They don't irritate me at all. So I'm really looking forward to trying Ana Luisa's jewelry. So I will let you guys know what I think of them, but that's gonna be in like a later, like, is that croup? I need to call the doctor. She's like a horrible cough. I feel so bad. She's coughing like so constantly, the poor thing. It's the season of sickness, but yeah, I'll let you guys know. I'm really excited to try those out, and honestly, hopefully, I mean, a lot of influencers, I saw like Alex Earl talk about it, Holly Gabriel, I saw Amanda Arujo, I hope I'm saying that correctly, talk about it. So I commented on her video being like, I'm excited, like they reached out, I'm really excited to hear good things. So I'm gonna give those a whirl in a couple weeks here, and I will let you guys know what I think. But if you are a sensitive ear girly, maybe this is a solution for us. I will let you know, but I'm gonna start packing and getting our lives together because we should probably get going. Oh my goodness. Random little house update as I'm chugging my Alka-Seltzer. This ottoman is from Ashley Home Store Furniture, and that mess that I got, it was like one of those window things on her coffee table, was driving me crazy. So my sister ordered this, but then it didn't work out. So then my mom took it, and my mom had it in her basement. So I was like, Mom, can I take this and give you my coffee table? We just put this in yesterday, and you can lift these up. I can't lift it up now, but I'll show you guys and like flip it over. I don't think it was cheap, but for free for us and our family, we're giving it a whirl. It works. We have it push chair, which I just think it makes it cozier, and I can store blankets in here and other random things, toys, the whole 10 yards. But so far I like it a lot. I don't love how it's pushed up to the couch right now, but if I was to sit down, you know, different story. Totally. Like, are you kidding me? So cute. All right, back to my Alka-Seltzer. Not my hat of choice, but we cannot find our winter stuff, our Patagonia hats, and Carhartt it's gonna be, guys. My husband goes, oh, we look cute. So, and I got my Doc Martens on here. I got my Docs on. I've got gloves I'm gonna wear, and then 2 layers. And to be honest, I don't know if this is even gonna keep me warm. So we'll see. I also really want a smaller Christmas tree this year, so we'll see. Also, best husband ever, because I feel like every year he has to figure out which light bulb is and isn't working. So he did that. We're gonna hang these on the house later today. Finally, that's very exciting. But let me know if you guys have icicle lights. I think we got these at Home Depot, and I guess we had them since our last house, but you only use them like a couple times a year, but maybe lights just don't last. I don't know. Somebody let me know. So I think we'll do that later. So all the Christmas festivities. If you made it to this point in today's video, I just wanted to say thank you so much for being here. If you haven't done so already, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button. On my channel, we film a lot of cleaning, homemaking, and lifestyle content. Usually it's pretty heavy on the cleaning and homemaking, But with the holiday season, I'm kind of just having fun, adding some vlogs here and there, so you guys will definitely see that. I just love to edit and incorporate the holiday cheer and decorations and little festivities. So I'm really enjoying these kind of come home with me for the holidays or come home with me for Christmas videos. This little jar, I could not help myself. I did pick this up. I thought it would be great for our coffee pods or my espresso coffee pods. So I did pick that up. I love to pick up little pieces here and there throughout the years that just have very thoughtful memories. So every time that I look at that, I will remember this day that we went to the Christmas tree farm. And yeah, so I will kind of let the video play out, but basically we got home, I hung my wreath up. I usually put this on the basement door around the corner, but I really like the way that this turned out this year. And every time we come down the stairs or we're walking by the front door, we'll be able to really see and admire this. I think that this is worth mentioning. We actually picked out a new Christmas tree stand this year. We did a lot of research, and I want to say this one was about like 100 to 109, and it made it so much easier. We had a very old one from my parents, but I feel like it just takes a couple of clicks, and if the tree isn't where you want it to be, you do need 2 people, but you can adjust it a lot easier and a lot faster. So yeah, I would definitely recommend, but I wanted to thank you guys for being here. We are at the end of today's video. Sorry I got a little chatty, but I will see you guys in my next one, and I hope you have a great holiday season. Bye guys.